What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. So we've got a freshly painted door here. This is a front entrance door, and as you can tell, it's got glass panels running all the way through it. This has a clear protective coating that goes over the glass panels in order to allow you to paint it really rough, as I've done here, and then we're going to just simply cut away that plastic coating, leaving a nice perfect clean finish. Now, a lot of people make the mistake thinking that this clear plastic coating is simply for transit to protect the glass from scratches. It is, but at the same time, its main purpose is to allow you to stain it or paint it really fast, effective way, so you don't have to mask up and go through all that headache. So the mistake that I see a lot of people making is actually trying to remove this from the middle, peeling it all the way out. So they find a little section where it's frayed off, or they start it off with their nails, then they just simply start working at it backwards and trying to pull that off until you've got actually a decent amount. And then what they'll do is they'll actually pull it off towards the edge. So it looks like you've actually got a good start there, but it's not actually the way it's supposed to be. So you can see there, starts breaking off in sections. It's not a clear cut all the way around. I'll show you guys a bit of a close-up. You can see there we've got leftover paint up on top. Over here we're having a tough time trying to pull that section there out, and it's just going to continue to break off. So that's not the way that we actually remove this. So what we're going to do is just take a utility knife, nice and simple, and we're going to score all the way around the edges. So we're going to just follow that molding. You can see there the edge of the trim right here, and up here is the actual glass section that I've painted over the top. So we're going to just take that blade, run it all the way flat up against the edge. You can hear I haven't installed the doorstop yet, so it's still knocking a little bit. Get that nice and flat. Once again, flat up against the trim. Score that all the way around. Same thing on the other sides. Once more up on top. Now what we've done is we've broken that sill between the window and the trim. So now we can just start off on a corner. You can see there where the plastic is. Peel that back. So you can see there some of the excess paint. What we're looking for is that piece of plastic right here. Take it with your fingers and we can peel that right off. Once that's done, we've got a perfect edge, and that's exactly what you're after, guys. So we can see there we've got a nice transition from the glass over to the timber frame. So we'll come back to the section that we peeled off incorrectly. Once again, utility blade, hard up against the edge. Score that all the way down, all the way around, following it hard up against the timber molding or the trim. And now we can peel this section here off. You can see there the little excess piece that we should have taken off initially. And we just repeat the process on the rest of the panels. And once it's all done, guys, this is what it ends up looking like. So we've got a perfectly clean, crisp, finished door. This is what that plastic protective coating is designed to do. You're going to be able to finish your project so much quicker, no masking, no taping. Just look out for that plastic protective coating and don't take it off until you finish painting or staining. I'll show you guys a bit of a close-up. So you can see right along the edge, nice, crisp, clean lines, and that's exactly what you're going to get by doing everything as I've shown you guys in this video. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.